Yeah, what's good with y'all boys, man? Hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all doing great. We got the first POV in the Q60, man. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. Hey, peep that AMG right there. We just got through like cutting up. Had to turn it on. But yeah, though, little POV, man. Nothing too crazy. I wish I had the head mount though. But like this fine, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta try to like, nah, he flying in the AMG though. Motherfucking kill, like, come on, bro. Messing up my content, bro. Yeah. See, I done lost the AMG fucking with that kid, bro. Hold on, bro. Hopefully he in front of this red truck, cause that joint was tough. That's low-key one of my dream cars, but like I want the 4x4. I want the 4x4 AMG, I think it's the Brabus. Come on with the brakes. I want the AMG 4x4 Brabus and the AMG GT Black Series parked both beside each other, like all black. Soon. Come on, bro. Yeah, that nigga gone. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, no, he right there. Let's see. I ain't about to get in no wreck trying to catch up, but like, yo, speed up. You feel me? About to go run some quick errands. Yeah, bro. One day I'm gonna have that Black Series AMG GT. Like, that jump's so hard. Blacked out green brakes. But that's like the ultimate dream car, though. I'm cool with like a little Hellcat Challenger, though, right now. After the Q60 Hellcat Challenger, that'd be crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, let's go, let's go. Like, that's one of my biggest pet peeves, bro. Niggas driving slow. Especially when it's a gap I can shoot. Get a body. Like, look at all this space, bro. Why the hell y'all driving so slow? Back on that AMG. You feel me? That jump moving. I like it because it look like a Jeep, but it's a luxury Jeep, and I love interior. Like, that's my favorite thing about cars. I don't care about how fast they go or like what they do. As long as they got good interior, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I've been slacking on the uploads. Like, this YouTube shit harder than I thought it was. But we should have like 3 or 4 videos, maybe 2. I ain't gonna lie, 2 or 3 videos dropping. Should I make this carbon fiber? I sent it on Amazon. So a carbon fiber sticker kit that like take all this chrome off. It's already got some right here. Car a little dirty. Got in the truck. That boy trunk open. Ugly boy. Cool little stain. I'll leave that stain. All right, one more car and we in front of the, we back on the AMG for real. Unless this stain won't smoke. Okay, tight pulling up. Come on. Oh, we got to get some sound in the Q60 too, bro. Y'all let me know some good exhaust. Some good exhaust setups. Because I really don't know what I want. I just want something cool for right now, like until I save up and get an exhaust kit. But does the muffler deletes, do they leave like drones in the car, or I'm gonna be straight? Cause one video I watched, he had like no drone, but he had a muffler delete. I know I don't want no straight pipe, cause that's like too loud. I ain't trying to be too loud. I just need enough sound, like, especially when my car start up. Can't even hear it. That AMG is gone, bro. These niggas won't let me cut up. Oh, it's right here. I don't know if y'all seen that. Cool little AMG. Mexico with it. We really in Forza though. We in Mexico City playing Forza. It's a Forza POV in Mexico City, bro. Nothing too crazy. But look at the cute. Hold on, let me change my set. I like to ride with that. With this right here. Ain't no more cars up. Coolest thing. Deezy. I thought it was 12. It's been so hot, bro. Who honking? But yeah, the Q60, bro, I need a name. I was thinking Clio. I think I'm gonna call it Clio. It's almost done. I'm gonna show y'all what I did to the outside. I did a chrome delete, a D badge, and I repainted my wheels because like the first time I rushed, so I repainted them black. Long ass light. Repainted them black. I gotta show y'all my suspension. I'm trying to, like, do I need coilovers or springs? But like my fitment is kind of already where I want it. Like if it get any lower, I feel like I'm gonna be scraping. Cause the person who had it before me, the person who had the car before me, I think he put like some type of kit. He put something up here to have it low. Cause I know this is not stock height. I'm gonna show y'all boys next bit. Trying to get y'all a quick pull real quick before I get up out of here. Get y'all pulling sport mode as soon as this light turn green. After this pull, we're gonna wrap this video up, man. It's just the first POV. I was just really testing things out, seeing how it was. We're gonna be doing late night slides and all, like through the city and all. Get y'all a quick little pull and we out of here, man. This truck get a little ways. There we go. Good. All right, y'all boys. I'll catch you on the next one for sure.